Hello everyone. Today we will discuss some examples on Heaviside functions. Here, given function having three subfunctions. Express the following function in terms of Heaviside unit step function and hence find their LT. These are same as the previous example, but difference is first only the given function having the three different subfunction. First one, f of t is equal to 1 t square. F of t is 1 when t lies between 0 and 1, t when t lies between 1 and 2, and t square when t is greater than 2. Second one is f of t is equal to cos 2t, cos 2 when t lies between 0 and pi, cos t it is. Next one is cos 2t when t lies between pi and 2 pi, cos 3t when t is greater than 2 pi. Next one is f of t is equal to cos t when t lies between 0 and pi, 1 when t lies between pi and 2 pi, sin t when t is greater than 2 pi. I will solve first and second. You people have to try the third one. Solution for the first one, f of t is equal to 1 t square, and here we have to use the fourth property because in that property they given if f of t is equal to f1 of t, t is greater than or equal to, t is less than or equal to a, f2 of t when t lies between a and b, and f3 of t when t is greater than b, then f of t can be written as f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u of t minus a plus of f3 of t minus f2 of t into u of t minus b. So that we have to use this result to find the to write the f of t for the given function. That is f of t is equal to 1 plus t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 plus t square minus t u of t minus 2, because f1 of t is 1, f2 of t is 2 t, and f3 of t is t square, and f2 of t is t. So that using the previous result, the fourth property, we have to write the f of t for the given function. Now applying the Laplace transform, we get L of f of t is equal to L of 1 plus L of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 plus Laplace transform of t square minus t into u of t minus 2. See here, these two function gives the unit step function, so that we have to use the second property to find Laplace transform for these two different function, so that we have to find the Laplace transform of L of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 and Laplace transform of t square minus t into u of t minus 2 separately. And here we am taking f of t minus 1 is equal to t minus 1. For the first term I am taking f of t minus 1 is equal, because a value is 1 here, and f of t minus a value is t minus 1. Therefore f of t minus 1 is equal to t minus 1. And second one, for I am taking g of t minus 2, because t value is 2 here, so that g of t minus 2 is equal to t square minus t. Now we have to take f of t minus 1 is equal to t minus 1 and find what is f of t. Then f of t is equal to, just change t to t plus 1 or adding plus 1 on both sides, we get f of t is equal to t. Then g of t minus 2 is equal to t square minus t. Just change t as a t plus 2, we get t is equal to t plus 2 whole square minus t plus 2. Simplify this one. Here you have to use a plus b whole square formula, and this is minus t plus 2, and solve, we get t square plus 3t plus 2, and it is f of t is t, g of t is t square plus 3t plus 2. Now we have to find the f bar of s, means we have to find the Laplace transform of f of t. So that Laplace transform of f of t, which is equal to f bar of s, is equal to, we know that Laplace transform of this t is 1 by s square. Therefore f bar of s is equal to 1 by s square. Then Laplace transform of g bar of t, means Laplace transform of g bar of, this is s, Laplace transform of g of t is equal to g bar of s. We know that Laplace transform of t square is s 2 divided by s cube plus Laplace transform of 3 is constant, keep as it is. Laplace transform of t is 1 divided by s square, therefore it is 3 by s square, plus it is here 2 is there, so therefore it is 2 divided by Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s, here 2 is there, so about 2 divided by s. Now we know that Laplace transform of t means here we are using second property for the f bar of s. F of Laplace transform of f of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 is equal to e raised to minus s into f bar of s. We know that here the value of a is 1, just substitute a is equal to 1, we get Laplace transform of t minus 1. Since f of t minus 1 is t minus 1, therefore t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 is equal to e raised to minus s divided by f bar of s is s square, e raised to minus s divided by s square. Name this is equation 2 and this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Next, for this one, g bar of s, Laplace transform of g of t minus 2 into u of t minus 2 is equal to e raised to minus 2s into g bar of s. We know that g bar of s is e raised to 2s into g bar of s is 2 by s cube plus 3 by s square plus 2 divided by s. Name this is equation 3. Now substitute the equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1, means substitute the value of Laplace transform of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 and Laplace transform of t square minus t into u of t minus 2. Then we get, substituting 2 and 3 in 1, we get Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s plus e raised to minus s divided by s square plus e raised to minus 2s into 2 by s cube plus 3 divided by s square plus 2 divided by s. Next is second one, given f of t is equal to cos t where t lies between 0 and pi, cos 2t when t lies between pi and 2 pi, cos 3t when t is greater than 2 pi. Using fourth property of unit step function, we get f of t is equal to cos t plus of cos 2t minus cos t into u of t minus pi plus cos 3t minus cos 2t into u of t minus 2 pi. Therefore, Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of cos t plus Laplace transform of cos 2t minus cos t into u of t minus pi and Laplace transform of cos 3t minus cos 2t into u of t minus pi. Name as this is equation 1. Now name we have to find the Laplace transform for these two functions using the second property. So that f of t minus pi, because in this first term a value is pi, so that f of t minus pi is equal to cos 2t minus cos t, and for this one a value is 2 pi. I am taking g for this one. G of t minus 2 pi is equal to cos 3 minus cos 3t minus cos 2t. Then f of t is equal to cos 2 into t plus pi minus cos t plus pi, because here f of t minus pi is there, just replace t as a t plus pi, we get f of t is equal to t plus cos 2 into t plus pi minus cos of t plus pi. F of t is equal to, we know that cos pi plus theta, see here cos 2 into t plus pi is cos 2t plus cos 2 pi. We know that cos 2 pi plus theta is cos theta, so that I am writing cos 2t plus cos t plus pi. Cos theta plus pi is minus cos theta, therefore minus will be plus cos t. Now Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f bar of s, which is equal to s divided by s square plus 4, because Laplace transform of cos at is s divided by s square plus a square. Here a value is 2, so that s divided by s square plus 4, and here it is s divided by s square plus 1. Name this is equation 1. Now we have to find the Laplace transform of g bar of s. For that, g of t is equal to cos 3 into t plus 2 pi minus cos 2 into t plus 2 pi. Now cos 3t plus cos 2 into 6 pi we get, then minus cos 2t plus 4 pi we get. So that cos 3t plus 2 pi, cos theta plus 2 pi is cos 3t, minus cos 2t plus 4 pi is plus cos 2t, so that it is cos 3t minus cos 2t. So similarly here also you have to use this previous result. You can get these values, that is cos g of t is equal to cos 3t minus cos 2t. Now Laplace transform of g of t is equal to g bar of s, which is equal to s divided by s square plus 9 minus s divided by s square plus 4. Then this is equation 3. Now for equation 2 we have to use the second property to find Laplace transform for this one, and for equation 3 also we have to use the second property to find the Laplace transform of that required function. So that Laplace transform of f of t minus pi into u of t minus pi is equal to e raised to minus pi into s into f bar of s. We know that e raised to minus pi is as it is because a value is pi here. F bar of s is s divided by s square plus 4 plus s divided by s square plus 1. Then for equation 3, for this one we have from the second property that Laplace transform of g of t minus 2 pi into u of t minus 2 pi is equal to e raised to minus 2 pi s into g bar of s, which is equal to e raised to minus 2 pi s into g bar of s is s divided by s square plus 9 minus s divided by s square plus 4. Name this is equation 5 and this is for 4. Then substitute the equation 5 and 4 in equation 1. We get Laplace transform of f of t is equal to s divided by s square plus 1 plus e raised to minus pi s into s divided by s square plus 4 plus s divided by s square plus 1 plus e raised to minus 2 pi s into s divided by s square plus 9 minus s divided by s square plus 4. On simplification we get Laplace transform of f of t is equal to s divided by s square plus 1 plus we take s common from these two terms, we get s into e raised to minus pi s into 1 divided by s square plus 4 plus 1 divided by s square plus 1 minus, and for the last term also take s as a common in these two terms and simplify, take LCM and simplify. We get 5 into s into e raised to minus 2 pi s divided by s square plus 4 into s square plus 9. This is the required Laplace transform for the given function. Next another example is there. Third examples also you have to try yourself, same as these previous two examples, and here also fourth one is there. F of t is equal to, for this example also you have to express this function in here unit step function, and also you have to find the Laplace transform for this. The given function is f of t is equal to sin t 0 less than or equal to, sorry, t lies between 0 and pi, cos 2t when t